Guys, today we're going over a little bit of an HVAC heaven today in this video with a lots of carrier Sentry series heat pumps. Right now it is currently raining where I am right now, so I gotta make it quick, but it looks like they're running. These look brand new. And are these heat pumps? Yes, they are. It is a 2023 and it is a 3.5 ton. This one has got some water inside of it. They have LG scroll compressors. 2023, 3.5 ton as well. This one's not running. This one's got an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. I'll zoom into it really quick, hold on. Oop, just started up. 2023, 3.5 ton. This one's got an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. And same for this one. 2023, 3.5 ton. It's a lot of 3.5 ton Sentrys here. There's some more down there. Actually, I can't go back there. Someone's car's running, and I might get in trouble. Well, there's some more down there. One of them sounds kind of noisy. It's this one right here. Actually, both of them are running. Yeah, this one right here sounds a little bit noisy. It's got a production motor, Emerson Copeland scroll. 2023, 3.5 ton. Same for this one. This one's shaking. They both have Emerson Copeland scroll compressors.